Kampay, Daros Pride, Kasiyahan, Fabiola comes next, Golden Square, Gobernadora, Wild Pegasus by about 3 for Balenka. Right behind in second is Daros Pride, Kampay is watching in third, Fabiola alongside, and comes Kasiyahan, Gobernadora, Jigsaw Star, Golden Square sailing away, Lock and Loaded, Shut Up in the middle, Reign Supreme, Successor, and Cool Dancer. They swing into the back. Gobernadora takes the lead, moving up. Kampay now moving up party outside. Daros Pride in the middle. Fabiola in fourth. Pegasus, Kasiyahan, Jigsaw Star, Golden Square. Kampay takes the lead by out ahead. Down on the inside is Gobernadora, and in third comes Fabiola. Kasiyahan moving up by Daros Pride. Kampay now takes the lead by about 3 for Balenka. And in second is Gobernadora, Fabiola, Kasiyahan, Jigsaw Star, Golden Square. As they come down to the last 200. Once again is Gobernadora. Kampay sorry outside, Fabiola in third, Jigsaw Star. And it's still Gobernadora. Kampay sorry outside, moving up Jigsaw Star. It's now Gobernadora by about 4 lengths. Jigsaw Star moving up, Shut Up. And finally Gobernadora, Jigsaw Star, then comes Shut Up.
2-1-10.